Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off auto accept in Uber. Sometimes Uber automatically accepts rides for you, which can be annoying if you want to choose your own trips. Here's how you can turn off auto accept in the Uber app. First, open the Uber app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your driver account. Now tap on the account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Settings to open your account preferences. Here, scroll down again until you find the section called Reserve and tap on it. Inside the Reserve settings, you'll see an option named Auto Rematch. This feature automatically accepts another ride as soon as you complete one. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle switch next to Auto Rematch. When the switch turns gray, it means the feature is now disabled. Now you can decide which rides you want to take instead of the app doing it for you. It's great if you want to take a short break or just don't feel like accepting the next trip right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.